Thanks. Hi, everyone. Today I'm presenting on behalf of the Software Engineering Working Group to introduce openstatsware and the R package MMRM. Here is the outline. I first give a brief introduction to the working group, then an overview to the R package MMRM. A brief introduction to the working group. openstatsware is an official working group of the American Statistical Association Biopharmaceutical Section. It was formed on August 19th last year, and it's a cross-industry collaboration that currently has 38 members from 28 organizations. The full name of the working group is Software Engineering Working Group, and the short name is openstatsware, which stands for Open Source Statistical Software. Please check out our homepage for more information, such as our packages we have been working on, our presentation slides, and the latest news. The working group has two main objectives. The primary objective is to collaborate to engineer R packages that implement important statistical methods to fill in gaps in the open source statistical software landscape. We will focus on what is needed for biopharmaceutical applications. Our secondary objective is to develop and disseminate best practices for engineering high-quality open-source statistical software. By actively doing the statistical engineering work together, we could align on best practices across industry and communicate these to others. Currently, we have 3 active work streams in our package development. 2 packages have been developed for mixed models for repeated measures, where MMRM is for frequentist inference, and the BRMS.MMRM is for Bayesian inference. Both packages are available on Cray now. The other package that is under active development is for health technology assessment, where we aim to develop open source R tools to support HTA dossier submission across various countries, particularly on topics with unmet needs in R implementation and/or related to EUNet HTA. For more information about these work streams, you can click the small world map icons, which will take you to the corresponding web pages for more details. To disseminate best practices for engineering high-quality open-source statistical software, we have held the workshop Good Software Engineering Practice for R packages to teach hands-on skills and tools for engineer reliable R packages. So far, we have run 5 workshops in 4 countries this year. We have also made a YouTube video series, Statistical Software Engineering One-on-One, to introduce tips and tricks for good statistical software engineering practices. So far, we have made 2 videos. So please check out the workshop materials and the videos by clicking the small world map icons. Now let's take a look at our package MMRM. By the way, if you click the small icon next to the title, it will take you to the GitHub homepage of this package. First, let's talk about the motivation. Why do we need a package for MMRM, and why was it the first package selected by the working group to develop? This is because MMRM is a popular choice for analyzing longitudinal continuous outcomes in randomized clinical trials, and there is no great R package out there. Initially, we thought the MMRM problem can be solved by using a combination of LME4 and LMER test, but we learned that this approach failed on large datasets. It was slow and did not converge. Then we started looking at NLME, and we found that it does not give Satterthwaite adjusted degrees freedom. It has convergence issues, and with emmeans, it's only approximate. After that, we tried to extend GLMMTMB to calculate Satterthwaite adjusted degrees freedom, but unfortunately, it did not work. So we came up with some idea. We only want to fit a fixed effects model with a structured covariance matrix for each subject. The idea is then to use the template model builder TMB directly, as it's also underlying GLMM TMB, but code the exact model we want. We do this by implementing the log likelihood in C++ using the TMB provided libraries. TMB has some advantages. It's a fast C++ framework for defining objective functions. Of course, RCPP would have been alternative interface. It has automatic differentiation of the log likelihood as a function of the variance parameters. We can get the gradient and Hessian exactly and without additional coding. And this can be used from the R side with the TMB interface and plugged into optimizers. So why MMRM is not just another package? First of all, there are a lot of ongoing maintenance and support from the pharmaceutical industry. Currently, we have 5 companies being involved in the development, and it's on track to become a standard package. Also, the package has been developed using the best practices as showcase for high-quality package, with the thorough unit and integration tests to ensure accurate results, also comparing with SAS results. If you are interested to know more about the unit testing, please check out our YouTube video series that I mentioned earlier. Here is an overview of the features of MMRM. It can be used to fit linear model for dependent observations within independent subjects. It supports a variety of covariance structures for the dependent observations, including unstructured, toplets, AR1, compound symmetry, antidependence, and spatial exponential. It also allows group-specific covariance estimates and weights. It supports both restricted maximum likelihood and maximum likelihood estimation methods, and uses multiple optimizers if needed. It uses emmeans interface for least square means, and it's compatible with the tidymodels workflow for easy model fitting. It offers Satterthwaite and Kenward-Roger adjustments for degrees freedom calculation. It also provides robust sandwich estimator for covariance. We did a simulation to compare the performance of the MMRM package with other R packages, including NLME, GLMM-TMB, and LME4, as well as with SAS-proc Glimix. Here are some highlights. MMRM has faster convergence time compared to the other implementations, and it provides closest results to proc Glimix. The detailed results are available at the online comparison vignette. That's all I wanted to cover today. So for those of you who are interested to know more about the MMRM package, please check out the MMRM workshop recording at R in Pharma YouTube channel, which will be available soon. Thank you.